Good news, it looks like we'll squeeze at least one more day of great weather out across West Michigan.
That is very nice. And George is here now to tell us why some rain is going to eventually interrupt this pleasant stretch we got here, George.
Well, why not? Because it can. We've got some great weather that we have had here over the last 24 hours, and that is going to stick around through tomorrow before those showers move on in. 13 weather ball tonight, solid red, even warmer weather ahead coming up here tomorrow. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. A lot of clouds around right now, but they're going to thin out overnight. By 7 o'clock, we'll be down to 60 degrees. Right now, we're in the mid 60s, 52 by 11 o'clock, and we'll drop down into the low 40s. And sun coming up now before 7 o'clock, so we'll see some morning sunshine, and that will last throughout the day here tomorrow. We had a few clouds come in from the north, mostly cloudy skies up north, and there were some scattered showers still going on up along US 10, but these clouds are thinning on out over the next few hours, so we'll see plenty of sunshine before the sun goes down, and then we'll see plenty of sunshine during the day tomorrow. As I mentioned, those scattered showers coming through right around the noon hour, heading right along US 10, a couple of sprinkles further south of there, but we're going to stay dry here in Grand Rapids overnight, so no worries. And then we've got this area of sunshine to look forward to tomorrow before this comes on through tomorrow night. That's not going to amount to a whole lot. What we're looking for is stronger storms coming in for Wednesday night and during the day on Thursday. Let's track the sprinkles of rain. You can see they've even fallen apart on our model by 11 o'clock tonight. And here's that next weather system heading on up through Minnesota tomorrow. Not going to affect our weather. In fact, we're going to see plenty of sunshine all day long until late in the day. Some high clouds will come on in. Then tomorrow night, right after midnight or so, we're going to see some scattered showers come through. They'll amount to very little. And then as we head through the day on Wednesday, pretty good up until late afternoon, early evening. Strong cold front will come on through, and that's going to bring some of those storms into early Thursday. And then those will move on out, but then we've got some much cooler weather settling for the rest of the week through the weekend. After highs near 70, we'll be back down into the 50s. As I mentioned, we're not looking at a lot of rain here, and that will be mainly Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, about 1/10 of an inch or less. That's the green color there. And then as we get into Wednesday night, Thursday, we could see up to 1/2 an inch, up maybe to an inch in a few spots. And again, that will just make those river levels stay a little bit on the higher side toward the end of the week. But temperatures tomorrow, very nice, up near 70 degrees here in Grand Rapids. We hit 80 on Saturday last weekend, 66 on Wednesday as those clouds kind of clear out a little bit in the afternoon. Then we'll cool off into the 50s on Thursday, and that's where we're going to be stuck much of the weekend into early next week. So because of that, we're going to see cooler than average temperatures as we get through the 23rd through the 27th of the month. Average highs are in the low 60s. Most likely we'll struggle to get to near that. In terms of rainfall, we're going to be pretty close to what we usually get. That's about 1/2 an inch of rain during that 5-day period. Tonight, though, skies will become mostly clear. As cold as 38 up north to the mid-40s down south. Up north, you could expect those showers to clear on out this evening and then becoming mostly clear, down to between about 34 there in Big Rapids to 39 in Fremont. And from Grand Rapids southward, we're going to become mostly clear here in the next few hours as overnight lows drop into the upper 30s and low 40s. Looks wetter than it really is. A few scattered showers Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as we showed you, and then more significant thunderstorms here Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We're not looking for any severe weather though. And then mostly cloudy on Friday up to 57 and rather overcast on Saturday with a high of only 56. 13 on target forecast. There is a chance, just a chance of a shower Saturday night, and that will be mainly south of I-96 through Sunday morning. But just still cloudy on Sunday, and then next week we'll see more sunshine and dry weather all week long, but highs will be pretty much stuck in the 50s most of next week as well. A little bit cooler. After we hit that 80, of course, we got paybacks.
Yeah, always.
You always do.
Balances out.
It does.
Thank you, George.